Have you ever tried to get a perfect photo? You've got the vision, you've got the dream, but your tools just won't cooperate.
What if I told you there's a new way? A way to keep the likeness of a person or pet perfectly consistent across multiple edits. It's not just one trick, it's a whole studio in your pocket. Blend multiple images, or apply the texture of flower petals to a pair of shoes.
Introducing Nano Banana, one of the best AI image editing tools by Google Gemini Flash 2.5.
Here are 5 of the most powerful use cases of Nano Banana that will blow your mind.
Number 1. Nano Banana ensures characters stay consistent across all edits, keeping subjects identical in varied scenarios and outfits.
It's incredibly important to maintain consistency, and it's something that we're obsessed by at Nano Banana.
Number 2. Nano Banana allows prompt-based and multi-turn edits using natural language prompts. First, go to Google Gemini. Select Nano Banana from the 2.5 Flash model and a picture you want to edit.
Let's suppose you want to remove the cap from this character. You can even ask for more edits in a row, and it will do it in seconds.
Number 3. Nano Banana can merge multiple input images into a single cohesive scene. For example, you can blend a picture of yourself and a picture of your pet into a new portrait on a basketball court. Number 4. You can apply a style, texture, or pattern from one image to an object in another. This is a valuable feature for designers and artists who want to experiment with mock-ups, such as applying the texture of flower petals to a pair of shoes.
Number 5. Nano Banana can be used to restore historical and degraded images, significantly enhancing their quality. This feature helps to preserve memories by breathing new life into old photographs. You see how Nano Banana can keep the character consistent, edit using natural language, blend 2 or more images,
Mix or transfer styles, and restore photos. And this is it. Follow for more. I'll see you soon.